Hello students, how are you all doing? Hope that you must be very well. Today we are doing a sum from JEE Advanced 2015. The question reads like this. Let the curve C be the mirror image of the parabola y squared equals to 4x with respect to the line x plus y plus 4 equals to 0. If A and B are the points of intersection of C with the line y equals minus pi, then the distance between A and B is. So, what is the question saying? The question is saying that there is a parabola whose equation is y squared equals to 4x. Okay, and there is a mirror being kept in the line whose equation is x plus y plus 4 equals to 0, and this parabola image is formed on this mirror placed in this line, and that image is being denoted by C. Okay, and there are 2 points on that parabola on that image which are lying on the line y equals to minus pi. Okay, so there are 2 points on the image C lying on the line y equals to minus pi, and these 2 points are being told that they are A and B. Okay, and we have to find the distance between A and B, and this distance is any number from 0 to 9. We have to find that number. Okay, so how we will do the sum? So we are taking, let there be any point P on this given parabola. Okay, and the general coordinate of any point on the parabola is being represented by at squared and 2at. Here x coordinate is being represented by at squared and the y coordinate is represented by 2at. So what is A and here A? Okay, so the standard form of the equation of the parabola is y squared equals to 4ax. Now, when we are comparing this equation with the given equation, so what we get? We get 4a is equals to 4. So what will be the value of A? A value will be 1. So when we are placing the value of A1 here, so the coordinate will be t squared and 2t. Okay, so this, the image of P is, we are taking the image of P is A, and we are representing the A with the coordinate hk. Okay, so now this equation and the PA is cutting the mirror line, suppose at the point M. So PM will be equals to MA, because this is the property of the image. Okay, that is the distance of the object from the mirror is same as the distance of the image from the mirror. Okay, so M is the midpoint of PA. Okay, and the equation of the mirror line is given x plus y plus 4 equals to 0. So we can write it as y is equals to minus x minus 4. So here the coefficient of x is the slope of the mirror line. So the slope of the mirror line is, suppose m1, it is minus 1. So what will be the slope of PA? So because PA is perpendicular to the mirror line, okay, so because this is a property of the image, okay, so the here the slope of PA will be the product of the slope of PA and the slope of the mirror line will be -1. So therefore slope of PA will be equals to 1 because let that be M. Okay, so M is equals to 1. Okay, so why it will be 1? Because M into M1 has to be -1. So it is -1, so it has to be 1. So the slope of PA is 1. Okay, now how we represent, what is the slope? The slope is the difference of the y coordinate divided by the difference of the x coordinate. So here n will be equals to k minus 2t, okay, k minus 2t difference of the here y coordinate divided by the difference of the x coordinate, x divided by t square. So this is equals to 1. So now from here we are getting k minus 2t is equals to h minus t squared. Okay, so I am writing this equation here. Okay, here, okay, so here I am writing the equation. Okay, so this is, I am bringing every term this side. So this is h, okay, sorry, so this is k minus h, okay, minus 2t and minus t squared coming this side plus t squared is equals to 0. So that is, suppose I am denoting by the equation 1. Okay, now here what we will have, the M is the midpoint of PA. So the coordinate of M will be what? Here the sum of the x coordinate divided by 2. So h plus t squared, h plus t squared divided by 2, and the y coordinate will be the sum of this y coordinates divided by 2. Okay, so that will be k plus t k plus 2t, okay, k plus 2t divided by 2. Okay, now because M is lying on this line, so this point has to satisfy this equation. Okay, so in place of h I am writing h plus t squared divided by 2, and in place of y I am writing k plus 2t divided by 2 is plus 4, okay, plus 4 is equals to 0. Okay, now multiply throughout with the 2, so we will have h plus t squared plus k plus 2t plus 8 is equals to 0. So this equation I am representing by the second equation. Okay, I am writing the second equation here. So that is k plus h plus 2t plus, okay, t squared, okay, plus t squared plus 8 is equals to 0. So this is the second equation. Now what we will do? We will now express h and k in terms of t and the constant number. Okay, so now we are adding the 1 and 2 equation. Okay, so adding, so let us add now. Okay, so adding 1 and 2. Okay, so when we will add 1 and 2, what we will have? Here k plus k. So this will become 2k, minus h plus h will cut out, minus 2t plus 2t will cut out, and this will become t squared plus t squared, 2t squared, and plus 8 will be equals to 0. Now dividing throughout with 2. So we will have k plus t squared plus 4 is equals to 0. So k is equals to minus t squared plus 4. Okay, so that is the value of k. So here the k is equals to minus t squared plus 4. So that is the third equation. Okay. Now we are subtracting the second equation from the first equation. Okay. The number 2 I am subtracting from 1. Okay. So 1 minus 2. So what we will have? So when we are subtracting the two equations, second equation, so here the term sign will change. So plus will change to minus. So plus k minus k will cut, and minus h, this will become minus h. So minus 2h. Okay, and this is minus 2t, and this will become minus 2t. That is minus 4t. Okay, and this plus 2t squared minus 2t squared will cut out. Minus t squared plus t squared minus t squared will cut out, and this will become minus 8 will become 0. Okay, now dividing throughout with minus, so minus 2 I am taking common. So this is h plus 2 plus 4, okay, 2t, sorry, here it will be 2t, okay, plus 8, 4, okay, so this will become plus 4 will be equals to 0. So minus 2 cannot be 0, so this is 0. So h is equals to minus 2 common from here, so this will become t plus 2. Okay, so that is the value of h. So h I am writing here, it is equals to minus 2 into t plus 2. This is the fourth equation. Okay, now we know that, okay, now this point A is on the line y equals to minus 5. So every point on this line has the y coordinate minus 5. So this is the y coordinate A. So this has to be minus 5. So minus t squared plus 4 is equals to minus 5. So minus minus cutting out from both the sides. So t squared is plus 4 going this side, minus 4. So t squared is 1. So t will become plus minus 1. Okay. So the t value is plus minus 1. Okay. So now we are taking the t value here plus 1 and here t value minus 1. So when we are taking the t value plus 1, so h will be what? Minus 2 into 1 plus 2. Here 1 plus 2. So h will become minus 6. Okay. And when we are taking t value minus 1, so h will become minus 2, and here t I am putting minus 1 plus 2. So h will become minus 2 minus 1 plus 2 is 1. So h is equals to minus 2. So h value is minus 6 and minus 2. So a value, so the a coordinate will be minus 6 and k value is minus 5. Okay. And here b coordinate will become minus 2 and y coordinate is minus 5. Okay. So here we have got the coordinates of a and b. Okay, these are the coordinates of a and b. So what is the distance between a and b? So the distance between a and b is the difference of the x coordinate, because the y coordinate are the same. So this becomes minus 6 minus of minus 2. So that is equals to minus 6 plus 2, that is, modulus of this. Okay. So that is modulus of minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Okay. So that is equals to the distance is 4 units. Okay. So that is the answer. 4 between the distance between A and B. I hope that you must have understood this sum very clearly. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Stay fine. Thank you.